So first, let's create a Giphy account. So for this, let's go to login, then let's go to sign in, and you here will create your own account. You will write your email, username, password, and then confirm you are not a robot, agree with the terms, and sign up. In this case, I have my account, so let's log in. Then when we are on the page, we have to go to upload, and then let's select sticker. With this, you will select the stickers that you want to create for Instagram. In this case, I will put this one. Okay, and remember to write the correct text for finding on Instagram. In this case, let's put, for example, hand, and other words that you think match with your sticker. Then you have to use the source here. I will add it. Then when everything is done, you have to upload your sticker. So upload to GIF. It's important to know that all your stickers that you upload here, it's made by you. Okay, so that's important, and then you have to wait until this upload on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.